What happens in a mediation session and what's the difference between mediation and trial? Hi, I'm Frank Nunes and welcome. Thanks for joining me. Oftentimes people want to know what happens in a mediation session. Well, a mediation session is a time for the parties to come together and to discuss their commonalities and their differences, to discuss what is strong about one side of the case and to discuss what is strong about the other side of the case, and to discuss what is weak about one side of the case as well as the weaknesses of the other side of the case. And it is hoped that by having these discussions, both sides can see the case from the other side's perspective and arrive at a common ground. Now you ask, what is the difference between a mediation session and a trial? A trial is a completely adversarial proceeding. Both of the sides bring their cases to the court, they present their case, and a neutral party, either a judge or in some cases a jury, listens to all the evidence and makes a decision about whether there is in fact liability and the amount of harms and losses, and most importantly, what the value is of those harms and losses. In mediation, it works more as the two sides presenting each side to the other one, and they come to a mutual agreement at an amount that is a compromise between what one side wants and what the other side wants to give. And the two parties are completely at their own voluntary will deciding on what they agree to pay or how they agree to resolve a dispute. Why am I telling you this? Because if you're watching this, you have questions. I have answers to those questions. I want you to call me at 559-436-0850. I'm Frank Nunes, and thanks for watching.